Under the intensive Mission Indradhanush 2.0 program, like in other parts of the country, free immunization drive is being run at Anganwadi centers, health centers and government hospitals in Madhya Pradesh, Hoshangabad district. Children who either missed out or were left out in the previous phases of Mission Indradhanush are being identified for being vaccinated. Gulgul, 7-month-old daughter of Anil Verma, a resident of Malakheri village, was also identified under the campaign by the Anganwadi workers as she was not vaccinated in the previous phases.
आंगनबाड़ी वाली बाई है, उसके माध्यम से लगे हुए टीके। उन्हें बताया गया है कि ये टीके लगवाना बहुत जरूरी है ताकि कुछ आगे चलकर कोई बीमारी न बन पाए।
पहले हमको मालूम नहीं थी, इसलिए फिर आंगनबाड़ी वाली ने बताया, फिर टीके लगवाए। इंद्रधनुष जो चल रहा है, इस जानकारी मालूम, जब बहुत जरूर होता है, इससे बीमारी नहीं बनती है।
मिशन इंद्रधनुष में हम ऐसे बच्चों को खोजते हैं जिनको टीके नहीं लग पाए, 4-4, 6-6 महीने के हो रहे हैं वो बच्चे, जिनके माता पिता मजदूरी करने जाते हैं, बच्चे टीके कारण से छूट जाते हैं। फिर उनको हम ढूंढ के लेके आते हैं, उनके माता पिता को समझाते हैं कि भाई टीका लगना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बच्चों को बीमारी से बचने के लिए टीका लगना बहुत आवश्यक है। इसलिए उनको हम लेके आते हैं, आंगनबाड़ी में लेके आते हैं और टीकाकरण करवाते हैं उनका।
A total of 1,930 children have been identified in the district who could not be vaccinated for various reasons but are now being vaccinated under this program. The government is not just providing vaccination but under this program is also spreading awareness and clearing misconceptions about immunization. This surely is a commendable initiative in the direction to make the country free from diseases. Bureau Report, DD News.
As part of the intensified Mission Indradhanush 2 program, immunization is also being carried out in Kokrajhar, a remote district of Assam, to immunize those left out, dropouts and pregnant women. Let's take a look at more in this ground report.
Kokrajhar district of Assam is a remote area vulnerable to floods. Due to lack of infrastructure, most of the children here are born at home, resulting in many not receiving any vaccination or immunization at all. The intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0 program is playing a crucial role in providing immunization to them against preventable diseases.
I got vaccinated today on my arm. I got the shot under Indradhanush program.
I'm 2 months pregnant. ASHA workers informed us about the immunization drive and asked me to come here to get an injection. I just took the injection under the Indradhanush program.
Through the intensified Mission Indradhanush 2.0 program, a total of 312 children and 15 pregnant mothers have been immunized in Kokrajhar. Many here are receiving a vaccine for the first time in their life. With the aim to attain full immunization in the country, the focus is on all children up to 2 years of age and on pregnant women who were left uncovered under the immunization program. Bureau Report, DD News.